In this quick video, I just want to show you how to create quick templates for frequent asked questions or frequent replies. So for example, in here, I have a client calling and then the system sent out a message, but it didn't went through because maybe the phone is wrong or something. And this is a test. So let's think that this message actually went through and I want to follow up with them. So maybe like a frequent follow-up message will be like, hi, are you still interested? Or are you still interested? Or maybe I can send what else? Like, hi, haven't heard from you. Can we book a consult or anything? So there are a couple of frequent reply message that you can use to follow up on your clients, and this will be the same answers every time. So one of the cool features that Progreda provides you with are the templates. So instead of typing the same thing all over again, what you will do in here is that click on the little dog icon in here and you can select your own template. In this case, let me show you how to create your own. So you might want to go here on the top of your screen. It says conversation, manual actions, templates. Click in here on templates and I'm going to add a new text template. And this is going to be like no answer one, no answer follow up. Like, hi, are you still interested on our marketing service? Save. And this is very cool because you can have a little preview in here. So let's save this and let's create another one. So another text template. This will be called no answer follow up to hi, haven't heard from you in a while. We have an amazing offer for this month. Please check this out. And maybe 50% off on ads, something like this. Save. Now, let's go back. Like all of your templates will appear in here. Let's go all the way down. And as you can see, my two messages are in here. No answer follow-up 1 and no answer follow-up 2, right? You can always come back in here and make any edits by clicking on the little pencil or simply delete them if it was a mistake or something. But let's go back into the conversation. And in here, I want to follow up with this person. So I'm going to send an SMS. I'm going to choose my templates. And then I know that I write no answer follow-up 1. Use template and send. That's it. Very cool, right?